You're going to learn about covalent compounds with Mr. Strauss, Mr. Murphy, Miss Onofrio, Miss Kane, and Miss Bloom.
On the mono day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, never put mono initially.
In covalent compounds, don't put mono in front of the first element. For example, in carbon monoxide, both of these elements, there's only one of them, but you only put mono in front of the oxygen.
On the day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, two non-metals form a covalent compound. Woo-wee!
There are many different types of bonds between elements, and one of them is covalent bonds, as we've been talking about. And they are bonds between two non-metals, like carbon dioxide or water.
On the day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, subscripts are where prefixes should be.
When naming covalent compounds, the subscripts correspond with the prefixes. For example, in CO2, the 2 after the O corresponds with the di in carbon dioxide. Great, now stop.
On the tetra day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, covalent compounds are charge-free.
All covalent compounds have no charge. For example, CO2, a covalent compound, has no charge. And a few exceptions, which are polyatomic ions, such as phosphate, they have charge. Although they are composed of two nonmetals, they have charges, so they're not considered covalent compounds.
On the penta day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, covalent compounds end in IDE.
Covalent compounds end in IDE. For example, carbon monoxide. But there are some exceptions, like water or ammonia.
On the hexa day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, covalent compounds share electrons. How friendly!
In covalent compounds, electrons are shared. For example, in the diagram, in the water molecule, the atoms between the hydrogen and the oxygen are shared to create the bond, like right here and there.
On the hepta day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, there are 7 diatomic elements available to me. On the octa day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, diatomic atoms stick together when they are free.
So with diatomic elements, you always pair 2 of them together. So you would never have chlorine by itself. It would always be Cl2 or Br2.
On the nona day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, where the covalently bonding compounds will be.
In the top right corner. Covalent compounds are bonds between 2 nonmetals, and the nonmetals are located in the upper right hand of the periodic table.
On the deca day of chemistry, my chem teacher told me, there are 10 prefixes to C.
There are 10 prefixes when naming covalent compounds. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, and deca. You just put them in front of the element.
Hope y'all learned a lot.